let's do an example that gives us an SAA scenario where we're given with the side and the two angles that do not include the sides. In this case, you're just asked to solve the given triangle. The triangle is already drawn for us, so all we have to do is name the parts of this triangle. Well, you don't have to name the triangle PQR or ABC or XYZ. You can pick any. Okay, of course the easiest is ABC, so I'm gonna name this triangle ABC. So triangle ABC right here. So you have A, B, C. Seems to me we were given with the measures of angle A, the measures of angle B, the length of side A. We are asked to find the length, the measure of angle C, the length of side C, and the length of side B. So now, again, the easiest way to start solving this problem is to complete the measures of the angles. So let's find the third angle, the measure of angle C. So you have, okay, first step would be solve for measure of angle C. It's gonna be, okay, again, let's apply the angle sum property in the triangle. It's gonna be 180 minus 38.6 plus 96.4. Don't forget the parentheses over there. This is gonna be okay, measure of angle C is equal to 45 degrees. So you now have the measure of angle C. Next step would be to find the length of one of the missing sides. Well, ABC. So let's start with the length of side B. So let's see the pairs that we have here. Okay, angle B and side B, and then let's pick. Okay, we already know that this is this is 45 degrees. So we can use either of the two angles. However, the angle opposite 45 degrees is unknown still, so we're gonna be using angle A and side A. It's gonna be these two sides right there. So let's write our equation. So what we're gonna do is just cross multiply, isolate B before we put it in our calculator. Let's do that. So our expression for B is 8.3 times sine 96.4 degrees divided by sine 38.6 degrees. Let's put it in our calculator. Okay, so we have B is equal to 13.22. 13.2, well, let's stick to one decimal place, the nearest tenth, as the given as. It's going to be 13.2 units. Okay, so B is 13.2 units, and it just it makes sense because if we compare this 13.2, if we compare the length of B to the length of A, it makes sense that B is longer than A because angle B is larger than angle A. So step number 3 would be to find C. Now, to solve for C, Okay, you're gonna have to find a side angle pair, one that involves C and the other one with all the information given, and that happens to be, if you look at our triangle, in case 45 degrees is opposite angle C. So let's do that first. It's gonna be sine 45 degrees over C is equal to, and then we can use the other two pair. Okay, let's stick with angle A. It's gonna be sine 38.6 degrees over 8.3. So now let's solve this for C, and then we will use our calculator to find the final answer. So we have A is equal to 8.3 times sine 45 degrees over sine 38.6 degrees, and putting that in our calculator. You're gonna get A is equal to approximately 9.4 units. So we have A is equal to 9.4 units. So now we have solved all the parts of triangle ABC. So you have actually I switched to A, so it'd be, by the way, C. Alright, so it's gonna be C is equal to 9.4. I mean, not A. It's gonna be C is equal to 9.4 units. Now also it makes sense that 9.4 is longer than 8.3 because the angle opposite 9.4 is 45 degrees, which is greater than the angle opposite 8.3, which is 38.6 degrees. And it makes sense that B is the longest side because angle B is the largest angle. So you can see here that the key is solving ASA and SAA scenario pretty much similar. All you have to do is always pair an angle to its opposite side and make a ratio out of sine of that angle to the length of the opposite side.